Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix access denied in OneDrive app at 2026. Why the access denied happens. This error usually means OneDrive can't read or change a file and folder because of a permission problem, sync issue, account settings, or local system restrictions. So at first I advise you to check which account you're signed into. If you have multiple Microsoft accounts like personal, work, study, you may be signed into the wrong one. So you will need to open the OneDrive, then just tap on the profile icon that's located on the top left corner, and right here you can confirm the email or the account. Also, you can sign out and sign back in with the correct account. Even you can add it just from here. So you'll need just to go with add account and enter the credentials, and there you go. The second thing is to review the file and folder permissions or the shared items. So if you're opening a shared file, ask the owner to resend the sharing link with proper permissions like view and edit. And make sure the link's permissions match your account and email. And if you still get access denied even with permission, the sharing link may be restricted, expired, or limited to a specific user. Sometimes OneDrive won't let apps open online or online-only files. So you will need just to go with the files section from here, tap on the My Files section, and then go and locate the file or the folder in OneDrive and tap on three dots, and after that go with make available offline. So you can go back to it when you're offline, and that can solve the issue. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.